BRIKclad recommends using a pre-mixed 1:1:6 mortar, which consists of 1 part Portland cement, 1 part hydrated lime, and 6 parts masonry sand, all pre-blended into the bag. The addition of the lime in the 1:1:6 mortar allows for additional wall expansion and contraction. It is important to fill the entire joint and core cavities when applying the mortar, as it adds to the bond strength for the mortar to the brick. Use either a grout bag or ideally a grout gun and grout pump for larger projects. It is important to always apply the mortar steps in above freezing temperatures. When the mortar joint reaches a thumbprint stiffness, tooling of the joint can begin. Select which style of joint you want, from concave to struck. A light brushing after will remove the excess mortar. If a wall washdown is required, follow proper clay brick cleaning procedures.